Hi, welcome to Elin video series. My name is Nick and I'll be your guide for this journey. So right now at this point of the whole process, we've pretty much explained a lot of things that were technically critical for us to really understand what Elin is, how it works, what is the point, how to use it effectively, and how to implement the philosophy of Elin in our daily life and just maximize it. Really take all of what it has to offer. And so today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to actually use one of its most interesting features, which is the calendar. However, this lesson won't be about the technical aspects of it. We're going to talk about the methodological aspects of working with calendar as part of Elin. So the great thing about it, one more time, is that Elin has a inbuilt calendar within its core. You don't need an external application, and that makes it great. As for reference, we have our vacation 2023 task here. We've already explained the decomposition. You understand what the statuses are for, and so on and so on. But the interesting thing here is that the greatest feature of Elin, which is a basic all-in-one task manager, is that there's a deep idea behind when to and when not to use calendar. According to the methodology upon which we use Elin, calendar is a tool for getting things done that are absolutely bound in time. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, it's very simple. According to the GTD methodology, we do not want to use this feature here, these fields here, the calendar, when we have regular daily tasks that are absolutely not bound by time. What does that mean? It means that instead of adding dates for every single task and subtask that we have um, on our task list, we want to focus on getting things done from the backlog, from the priority list. The calendar is something that we want to use particularly and specifically for tasks that depend within a certain time frame. What does that mean? That means that we have to board the flight at a certain time. Okay, this is the type of task that is absolutely dependent on a certain time frame. The airplane is going to take off at a specific moment of the day, right? And that's why we need to add such tasks to the calendar. Attending an event that starts and ends at a particular time, changing the oil in our car, attending a job interview. All these things are things that should be added into the calendar in a way where they are just set at a time not according to us, but according to external factors. The philosophy is that we want to do these tasks without using the calendar if we can, and focus on cleaning the priority list from the backlog. Pardon. And so one very interesting feature that we have here is uh, the filter that I'm going to show you right now. And here's what I'm going to do actually. I'm going to add a date here for, all right, securing the right accommodation. Okay, so here we have a date added, December 15th, 2023. And this feature here, it's called filter in calendar, is a great feature in a way where it allows you to really see what's happening around you based on the status of the given tasks or the given project. So you can already imagine what a filter does. We're going to show it now. I can basically clear it, or I can simply filter tasks according to their status and choose whether or not I want to see them in my interface. And obviously here, securing the right accommodation, you can see that that is a in-work task, right? So if I uncheck it, it's gonna disappear from the calendar. And if I check it, it's gonna appear there as well. And of course, you can filter as well, um, as in terms of the documents and of course in terms of the assignees who you have here. It's a pretty cool feature. Use it to your liking. Again, make sure to use the calendar as a productivity tool and not a tool to fill the space of your task manager. Make sure you leave that space open for you to maximize your productivity. That should be it for today. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video series.